Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Baldy Goes Modelworks. And what's this you see before you? Yep, it's a quick build, an Airfix Quickbuild kit. Yep, I picked this up in the bargain bin at Lidl this morning. Spotted it, so right, I'm having that. £7.19 it was. So obviously it had a massive great sticker on there, that's why it looks a bit patchy there. It's a Spitfire, I believe, a Mark 1, generic Mark 1. So we're going to have a look in the box. And yes, I'm going to build it. Shouldn't be a problem. So this kit was made in, don't know when it was made actually, it was a few years ago this quick build kit was designed. But yeah, I know I bought one for my brother and he absolutely loves it. Yeah, he said I really love that kit. So obviously there's the stickers. Fairly simple because there's only 6 of them. I'll put them there. Big bag of parts. And this is the instructions. And they fold out like this. Right. And this is where I build Lego. Well, technically it is Lego because I think you remember on my F-35 build I mentioned that something was alluded to about Airfix and Lego were. That's it, drop a bit. That's a little bit of wing dropped. Now we've got to look for red parts here. Got a nice little HH on there for Hornby Hobbies. That one. That one. That one. And that one. Bit embarrassing, it feels like Lego when it goes together. So that's part 1 of the instructions made. You'll have to trust me on that. And let's go for 2, which that is 2. And we want the green bit that looks the same, or fits on there like that. That's that piece. Put that together like that. And then we want, no, we don't want that. We do want that piece actually. Let's just clean the flash off of there. So, as you may have gathered, I went to Lidl again today, so, and that's that bit in there. So that's that part. And then we want the brown. is it? Oh, there it is. I think there's a few bits of flash in here we're going to have to deal with. Yeah, got a few bits there. Just clean those off slightly. There we go. Shades of Moz dealing with one of this is. This is because, my friends, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist. There we go. That bit's in. Brilliant. That's the tail done. That's 5. And do 6. We want 6. Which is this piece. And then we've got to put a wheel in there. Like so. And then we've got to get the wing. And fit it in there like that. So it looks like that, my friends. Then we've got to get another green bit. Looks like that. Again, I've dropped something. Yes. Unfortunately, these bits show up on the mat. Mr. Unprofessional. And then we've got to get this piece for the camouflage. Again, that goes in there like that. This is quite big for a Spitfire Mark 1 actually. Not sure if this is 140, well it's like quasi 148. And that's that wing built. Then I've got to build the other wing, which you've got to get that one, that side. Fit the wheel in like that. Fit that bit of camouflage in like that. And then we'll plonk that bit in like that. And then flip that bit in there like so. We've got that, this little bit. Boom. And do. And then we've got to fit the wings together like that. And now make up the nose section, which is this bit and this bit. Or I'm getting a bit confused by the parts. No, other way around, you twerp. Like so. Double check and triple check, and then this bit goes in here. Like so. And then we get this piece and fit it in there like that. And this red part that we made up goes in there like that. And then we've got to put another red part in here. Well, that goes around arse about face like that. I think, yeah, that goes in like that. And then this goes in here like this. And this is the part of the cockpit, and that goes in there like so. Like so. And then kumbaya, we turn over the instruction page, and then we've got to put the engine exhaust in there like thus. Said prop on one of those red bits there. Put that on there. Put it in there like that. And then put that bit in there. then we get that bit. Put the cockpit in, like so, underneath, then put the little radiator in, and of course we build up the stand. And there we go. Yeah, because I'm a numbnuts, I put it in the wrong way around. There we go. And there we go. On Spitfire. So I'll pause it there. I'm going to put the decals on now, and we'll see you in a bit. And we're back. And there we have said Spitfire quick build from Airfix. Angels 1.5 and all that. So yeah, decals, the stickers do require some sticking down, but that was a fun little build that took me less than 20 minutes to do. All right, it took me a little bit longer with the decals, but yeah, what a fun little plane to build. In fact, that's not a little plane, so it's roughly 1/48. So it's another quick build to my collection. So obviously keep your eye out on Lidl for these, because they're an absolute bargain. So on that bombshell, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.